Hey, hi, welcome to DSA with Pranav. In this video, we'll see rotate array. So they have given an array. We want to rotate to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. That means they have given this array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to rotate it towards right. That means these three elements will go towards right. That means it will go out of this boundary. It will add at the beginning. So it was 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. You can see here rotate first it will 7 is removed and it will be added here. Again 5 is removed, it's added here, and 6 is removed and it's added here. So it's something like 5, 6, 7. This is the answer. We have to rotate. This is the answer. We have to give it. Okay. So yeah, we'll see how we can do it. So it's a three-step. We have to do a algorithm. The very first step is we'll rotate the whole array itself. It's given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll rotate whole array. That will be equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next step is they have already mentioned how many rotation we have to make. Suppose the k value is 3. So first step is you got right. We'll rotate the whole array. So this is step 1. We'll rotate the whole array. Next, in step 2, what we'll do is we'll make a boundary of like k is equal to 3. That first 3 elements means this. We'll make a boundary here like this. Then we'll rotate these 3 elements. Again, we'll rotate last n minus k elements. First, we'll rotate these 3 elements. First 3. That will be equal to 5, 6, 7. I've just rotated these 3. It will be 5, 6, and 7. Again, I'll rotate these elements. Like these elements are rotated. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, like this is the answer. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what they want, right? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a pretty simple algorithm. Like first step in step 1, we'll just rotate the whole array. In step 2, we'll rotate. So this is step 2, and this is step 3. In step 2, we'll rotate only the first k elements. In step 3, we'll rotate the remaining n minus k elements. Okay, so we'll code it out. First, I'll take n. It would be the size of a vector. And what we have to do is suppose the k value can be the greater than the size. So here they mentioned k value can be 10 power 5, but they have not mentioned that every time k value will be less than nums dot length. So we have to check that it will not go out of boundary. So we'll take the modulus of n, so that our k value will lie within the n range itself. So next step, what we'll do is we'll first in step 1 we'll rotate the whole array. So we have a inbuilt function in C++, so that we will rotate the whole array from the beginning to the end. Then what we'll do in step 2, we'll rotate first 3 elements. So again we'll rotate from beginning to first 3, means nums dot begin plus k. If it is k value, suppose it's 2, it will be we'll rotate first 2 elements like that. So step 2 will vary upon the k value. If k value is 2, we'll just rotate first 2 elements. If k value is 4, we'll rotate first 4 elements like that. Again, now at last, we'll rotate the remaining elements. That is from where? That is from the k to the end. All the remaining elements. Yeah, that's it. As it's a void, right? So we need not return any array or something, it's inbuilt because they had passed it through the address. So nothing to worry about the returning condition. So it will pass all the cases. Thank you.